Welcome to Faster. Faster brand makes keep choosing faster. Responds customers fast. Delivery fast. Faster stands in the first special economic zone and is the pioneer of reform and opening up city. Shenzhen, Hong Kong's neighbor. Why Faster main business is landscape lighting and focus on outdoor lighting? Speaking from the founders, Carmen, background. She was born at Shaoyang City, Hunan Province in 1986, which was 700 kilometers away from Shenzhen. At that time, many of Shaoyang public infrastructure were relatively scarce. Of course, the city's landscape lighting, road lighting were not good. With the development of China, and it could also greatly optimize and improve the public lighting environment. The girl graduated from college, who was 21 years old, left her parents, carried her dream along to Shenzhen. Her first job was MP3 sales, then changed to be a light sales. In this year, she found sales, which was not easy as her thoughts. In 2008, China New Year was coming. She missed her parents. So, the young girl quit her job to go back hometown. In Shaoyang, she saw a local government binding news for lighting project. The government hoped to improve public lighting system and increase the Shaoyang people's happiness. She found this would be an opportunity. She wanted to try again. Then she prepared many files and started to contact a project manager. Then she still failed. But the competitor won the bet, who was touched by the efforts of a young girl, as if he saw himself young time. Very lucky the competitor outsourced a very small part of the project to the young girl. Finally, in 2009, the Faster was established. The company registration number was 1368581. Because of this project was very large, include 60 buildings with wireless control, which pointed pixel light features, is about 300,000 PCS. Although Faster contracted very few parts, and the profile was low, the young girl also done area communication and area customer feedback seriously. She went through the construction site every day, learned and supervised the work progress. Although Faster was a new company at that time, but they tried their best to improve themselves, and Faster promised to renew Faster products for free during the warranty period, minimize customer trouble. Finally, Faster delivered the project in advance in 2012. With the first project experience, and later Faster one after another received the light outdoor landscape lighting project. Henankou Building, Dongcheng Liyi Industrial Park, Chengzhou People's Congress Building, Changbaishan Library Building, Anyang People's Park, Qiyunshan Scenic Area, Yingde Tower, Jiaomei Central Hospital, Zhongguan Maiyouchang, Wuchang Jiyi Asian Chang, Baishan Rainbow Bridge, and so on. The reason why Faster can grow is that we firmly adhere to our corporate wealth. The third party meant commitment to work, passion, team cooperation, embracing change and integrity. The third party man means that Faster should put themselves in others' shoes so that a win-win situation can be achieved. All projects conduct the PDCA circulation process for quality and continue to improve product performance. All the products are checked strictly to ensure the high quality. In these projects, many different features were used, such as LED wall light, LED point pixel light, LED strict light, LED linear light, LED in-ground light, LED solar street light, LED floodlight, LED underwater light, LED high bay light, and others. Project design was based on the characteristics of different structures of your buildings, used LED light feature, controlled LED light angle and range to establish the composition, order, rhythm of the light landscape lighting, and it can improve the visual experience of the building. According to local climate and the environment, we choose different color of light, having more than 260 light fixtures for your choice. Advise the right one for your project. Under customer feedback and communication many times, customers want faster to provide one-stop service so that customers can reduce a lot of things. In order to meet the customer's demand, Foster also keep to learn integrity of the designer team. So now, Foster Business Range is not only the production and installation like outdoor lighting products, but also LED products be design personal model, and also can design it the project's visual effects, brightness renders. The LED lighting market is in intense competition. It's no longer a time for fighting alone at present. LED Cold War is the leader of your company. Have you ever thought about how to create another breakthrough? The only way is to build win-win partner business relationship, because we're here in the wide world. If you want to survive, then you must cooperate with others. Looking forward to the future, Foster still have many weaknesses, but Foster will try our best to correct them. Foster will try our best to make innovations constantly. Foster will try our best to step forward with you, hand in hand. For a more splendid future, we will struggle for progress constantly. Thanks for watching.